Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My project is going to be called Furnace End Junction. So what used to fill me with dread was the thought of trying to connect and wire up a diamond crossing. Code 75 Peco Electrofrog 193. Code 75. Now what I've done to try and simplify it for myself, I'm using the Gaugemaster DCC80, guess it's a frog polarity switch. So what I've done to keep things simple for myself, all the rails on the closest to me, this one, this one, this one and this one, and also this rail of the crossing, I've connected with a red track feed, and all the rails on the opposite side I've connected with black to keep continuity all the same. Then on the back of this DCC80 there are 3 solder tabs. My thumb's covering the one on the left, so you've got 2 at the top and 1 at the bottom. The one at the bottom, if you can see a letter F, that is a wire that goes to the frog. I've used a green wire, keep it simple because frogs are green. And then the top, it's got R and R. Doesn't matter which way around you get them as long as you keep the continuity the same, I would guess. So I'm once again using black and red wiring. That can either be a feed from the track or direct from the bus wire. So what I've done, I've connected all my track feeds on. So all the reds I put into a 5-way Wago block, and all the blacks I put into a 5-way Wago block. Then this wire is basically coming out the back of the DCC controller, which is simulating a bus wire. Then from the bus wire we're connecting all the track feeds, and the same on the opposite side. And on the Electrofrog diamond crossing, at the frog point, as per any Electrofrog, put insulated rail joiners both ends. So now we're going to see, we're going to run it nice and smoothly and watch the trains go across, and the AutoFrog polarity switch, we're doing it inside it, doing its own little works and sorting things out to eliminate any short circuits. Here's a class 37 coming over nice and slowly. No problems. Another loco going across the crossing the other way. This is as slow as I can get it. Probably simulating less than 3 or 4 miles an hour in the real world. And back over. So the AutoFrog working away inside, changing all its polarities. No problems at all. I got a pack of these, pack of 3 off Amazon, £16.99, free delivery. So I hope that is somewhat helpful in some ways, because I was absolutely horrified looking at some wiring diagrams, and like I say, I'm not very electrical savvy, but a little bit of common sense, keeping things nice and simple. And this was short diamond crossing straight out the box, 0 modifications, just a wire to each frog via the Gaugemaster DCC80 Autofrog. And like I say, the AutoFrog has a feed from the track or the bus, and in the packet you get a little simple diagram. So it's very, very straightforward. And for the sake of 12 quid for the diamond crossing, because you have to have a frog unit either end, things run seamlessly and smooth. Hope this helps, guys. Thanks very much.